If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your American Express account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel unwanted charges and regain control of your finances. Step 1. Review your statements. Check your recent American Express statements to identify any recurring charges. Look for subscriptions or services that you no longer use or want. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your American Express account online or through the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to view your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Transactions section. This will allow you to see all your charges, including any recurring payments that are set up. Step 4. Identify recurring payments. Look for any transactions labeled as recurring or subscriptions. Click on the transaction details to find information about the merchant and the payment schedule. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airshock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively stop unwanted recurring charges on your American Express account. Always keep track of your subscriptions to avoid future surprises.